If you knew that a single phrase, just one, could make her heart beat faster and leave a lasting impression on her for years, would you still use empty comments like, "You look beautiful," or "nice dress"? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Before we dive into these ideas, let me ask you a small favor. If this content helps you better understand what goes on in women's minds, I would really appreciate it if you could support it with a like or a subscription. It will only take a few seconds and will help more men access this information. I also want to ask you a question. What city are you watching this video from? I like reading the comments and knowing where you're coming from. That helps build a stronger community. Most men don't understand the true power of their words. They mistakenly think that attraction depends solely on looks, money, or status. But the reality is different. What truly makes the difference is how you make her feel. And here's the key point. One of the most underrated tools you have is a well-expressed compliment. Think about it for a moment. Have you ever noticed how something someone says to a woman can completely change her attitude? A single phrase, at the right moment and with the right intention, can transform how she perceives you, not just for an instant, but in the long run. Today you're going to discover 8 compliments that go far beyond the superficial. They aren't typical phrases or forced flattery that makes you seem needy. They are compliments with psychological depth, capable of activating something more primal in her mind, making her feel seen, respected, and attracted on a much deeper level. And here's the unfiltered truth. If you're throwing out generic compliments like candy, "You look beautiful," "What a lovely outfit," "You look great," you just become another face in the crowd, easily forgotten. But if you understand the value of self-control, intention, and the weight of your words, you'll notice something essential. Power lies not only in what you say, but in how you say it and the effect it has on her. So if you want to elevate your approach, stand out from other men, and leave a lasting impression, keep reading. Compliment number 1. That fragrance you're wearing is incredible. It's addictive. The sense of smell is one of the strongest triggers of memory and emotion. A scent can transport you to a specific moment in a matter of seconds. This happens because it's directly connected to the limbic system, which is responsible for emotions. When you compliment her scent, you're not just saying, "You smell good." You're saying, "Your presence lingers with me even when you're not here," and that has a huge impact. Most men don't even pay attention to these details, but those who do demonstrate presence, attentiveness, and a unique quality. Compliment number 2. Your smile has the power to light up any room. It's not just about your lips or teeth, but about the energy it conveys. You're acknowledging their emotional impact on the environment. It's not a superficial compliment. It's telling them, "Your presence changes everything." Compliment number 3. I love how authentic you are. You don't try to fit in. You're simply being yourself. In a world full of masks, authenticity has great value. This compliment doesn't highlight appearance but essence. You're saying, "I see who you really are, and that's what I value." Compliment number 4. I really like how you see the world. Your way of thinking is different, and it makes me reflect. Here you stop focusing on the external and connect with their mind. You acknowledge their perspective and depth, which makes the conversation much more meaningful. Compliment number 5. Your energy is incredible. It inspires me to be better. This is one of the highest levels of recognition. You not only like them, but you're motivated by them. You're communicating that their presence has a real impact on you. Compliment number 6. You're a very considerate person. It's clear that you care about others. Here you value her character, her way of treating others, her essence. It's not a common compliment, and that's precisely why it's so powerful. Compliment number 7. I admire how focused you are. Your determination is inspiring. You recognize her discipline, her purpose, and her effort. This connects with something deep, her identity. Compliment number 8. You have a special way of making people feel comfortable and valued. Here you highlight her emotional intelligence, her ability to connect. You're telling her that her presence has a positive effect on others. And there you have it. 8 compliments that go far beyond the superficial. They aren't just words. They're tools for creating connection, respect, and real attraction. Because in the end, A woman may forget what you said, but she'll never forget how you made her feel. If this added value for you, don't stop here. Keep going deeper, keep improving, because